Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video in which you have a set of names, and over those set of names a particular record will be shown in this particular spreadsheet, while there will be another spreadsheet just below beside it. It will be also over these employee names, but a different data will be shown against those list of employee names, and maybe there will be another sheet which will be showing their salary details. In this way, there are several sheets present in this workbook which are referencing this list of names, and they are showing data over some other information of those records. Now the problem set scenario is that whenever we will be adding a new name to the list, corresponding the sheets just beside that sheet, it would also get updated. Now traditionally what we do is that we refer equal to, and then this one we are referring this one, and then simply hit enter. Now this is the traditional way. So if we drag all the way across to the down, this is how we do it. So after Shivashish Nag, since no data is being present, it is being shown 0. But if we add one name, maybe Manoj Haldar, and if we hit enter, see the sheet is getting updated. Now in the traditional way, what we initially used to get 0, we need to overcome this in this way. That's the problem set scenario which I am going to show you in this particular video. So I will be using a function if conditional statement, and it will just check whether this particular cell is not empty, and then we will be giving two double semicolon comma. If it is not empty, then what it would show is that it will show the value of that particular cell, while if it is empty, it will be left blank and 0 won't be shown. So let me zoom out the formula once. So here is the formula. If empty contact A1, if it is not blank, then there are two exclamatory. So these are double quotation open, double quotation close. If A1 is not blank, then show that data of that particular A1, while if it is blank, then leave it as a blank. Now let's see what happens. Let me press enter. Now if we drag the names all the way across to maybe say up to 14. So though we don't have the name up to 13, still Manoj, so those records 0 is not being shown, but according to the if conditional statement, blank is being shown. Now let me add one name, maybe Shima Haldar. Now hit enter and go to that particular sheet. See, Shima Haldar has been updated. And again, there is a Anirban Dotto. If we change his name from Anirban Dotto to Rakshit maybe, let's see whether it's getting updated or not. So Anirban Rakshit, yeah, it got updated. And what about this particular sheet? It also got updated, but in the traditional way. The drawback we were facing is about these zeros. We overcome it by using this particular if function. So watch the video back and forth and try to adjust this double quotations twice in which there are nothing is present and empty double quotation. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you all guys and happy coding.